All right, here we go, guys. Super top secret help on question number 4 in our homework from tonight, because this is one we didn't really talk about in class, and there's a couple of them on there that are like this. Also, if you got stuck on 3, I understand. Maybe skip it. The cost of 10 oranges and 5 apples is $3.35. 24 oranges and 10 apples cost $7.58. Find the cost of each orange and each apple. So like that last sentence is really telling you what your variables are. You have 2 variables. Cost of an orange and cost of an apple. So maybe I say that oranges are going to be O's and apples are going to be A's. And if I go back through and I look now, they told me that, like, think of this as a little shopping trip, right? I went on a shopping trip, I bought 10 oranges and 5 apples, and it cost me $3.35. Well, I don't know how much each orange is or each apple, but when I bought 10 O's and 5 A's, it cost me $3.35. The next sentence is like another different little shopping trip. It says 24 oranges and 10 apples cost $7.58. So when I went shopping this time, I bought 24 O's and 10 A's, but this time it cost me $7.58. So that's why this kind of ends up looking like a standard form situation, because I'm buying 10 oranges. I don't know the cost of it, but for each of them, it cost me something. And for each of those apples, it cost me something else. So hopefully you can see now. And again, if you go back to that last sentence, it's saying, find the cost of each orange and each apple. So each is another one of those slope words. I don't know how much it costs, but I did buy 10 of them, and I did buy 5 of those. So it's kind of like the reverse of maybe what you normally see. Once I have this set up, I'm almost in a good spot for elimination. I noticed that the A's were super close. If I just times that one by -2, then I'll have a 10. I'm going to do that whole thing by -2. I'm going to rewrite it down here with what I get. So we'll have -20O minus 10A equals -670. Got ahead of myself. Add them up. So we'll have 4O 0 A's equals, now 758 minus 670 is 88 cents. And so then if I divide by 4, the cost of an orange, like one single orange, is 22 cents. So now if you think about it, if I go back to that original story when it said I bought 10 oranges, I know that I spent $2.20 because really I'm just plugging that in. And then I just need to divide by 5 to figure out how much the apple cost me. So I get $2.20 here, subtract that away. So 5A equals $1.15, and then divide by 5, which A would be 23 cents then. So an apple is 23 cents, and an orange is 22 cents. So you found the cost of them. I hope that kind of helps, so I can tell you other problems that are like that. On the back, number 13 is like that, 14 is like that, 15 is like that, 17 is like that. So at least try one more of those, but if you guys are still super struggling, that's not going to be like the one that's on your quiz. make sure you understand the distance equals rate times time ones, the perimeter ones, which I hope there are some on here, and I don't think there is a guess my number. Oh yeah, number 1 is guess my number, so make sure you know a guess my number one. Good luck.